Okay, this is just a short video to go over the chart analysis of Soda, S-O-D-A, which is a company called Sodastream International. It's actually an Israeli-based company. It hasn't been on the market long, and I can attest from a personal perspective that they make a really great product, which is a carbonator for essentially turning tap water into carbonated soda. They have a very large presence in a large number of stores throughout the states and, in fact, internationally. And they also have a very healthy internet business where they sell or at least vend the disposable cartridges along with all their other products. So as we look at the charts, this is actually the daily chart of Soda. It really isn't worth looking at charts in a higher time frame of weekly or monthly because Soda hasn't been traded for that long. But the thing to note here when looking at the weekly chart, if we go back right here to the beginning of the year, Soda was trading, oh gosh, it was trading down at about 27, and right now it closed today at 47, 44.17, and that means that the year-to-date gain for Soda has been a little bit above 68%, which is very healthy. There was an immediate ramp up from the beginning of the year, followed by a fairly flat section of the graph, and then it looks like it's sort of ramping up again. But if we look at the momentum indication, which is down here, this is using what's called a DT oscillator, which is an RSI stochastic oscillator. It has both overbought and oversold sections and oscillates between 0 and 100. What we see is that the oscillator, which again indicates the momentum or the direction of the trend, is down in the oversold area right now and almost ready to experience what we call bullish reversal, which means that the fast line of the indicator overtakes the slow line on the upswing. And that's typically what you want to look for when you're getting into a long position. This is literally days away, so I would expect that by early next week we're going to see a bullish reversal on the daily chart for Soda, which would be a pretty good indicator to get into a long position. Soda doesn't show any of the typical patterns that I would look for, and also I can't really do any kind of price or time projections, at least not on the daily chart. But let's go ahead and zoom in on this gray box here. We're actually going to take a look at this section of the chart, but on the 60-minute level. And there we have it. So this is actually the chart going from February 1st to current time. Each bar here, of course, since this is a 60-minute chart, represents 1 hour of trading time. The coloration of the bars represents alternating days or consecutive days. So this kind of green or brown color here is a day. This would be another day. This would be February 1st, February 2nd, February 3rd. Again, there isn't really any clear Elliott wave pattern to speak of on the chart. You can see that it's been cycling since February 1st. This is definitely not trending. This is much more of a sideways trading pattern. Very hard to make predictions on. The only thing that I've done here is I actually took two price projections. I took the run of price from this high to, I believe it was this low, and this high to this low, excluding this one, which looks like a pretty aberrant day, and projected them both from this last swing high on February 11th. And that gives us a projected price target range of between 42.62 and 43.09 for where this downtrend should actually hit before it possibly reaches a support level and then reverses. That appears to be consistent with the momentum indicator here at for the 60-minute chart, which shows that the stock just underwent a bearish reversal. So let me give you my 2 cents in a nutshell here. Given that the stock looks to be on a fairly nice trend up, I can't say that it wouldn't be a bad stock to get into a long position on, but I would hold off for a few days, at least until the daily momentum turned bullish, which it's about ready to do, and the 60-minute momentum actually underwent a bullish reversal. It just actually underwent a bearish reversal. So this looks like it's going to be several hours to a day or two before there would be a good entry position on Soda. And that's all for now.